If we want to add this element over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the Testimonial Carousel widget. We have the content settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. For the content, we have the slides name over here. We can also use AI. We have the slides items over here. We can add a new one by clicking over here. We can delete one by clicking on this X, and we can duplicate one by clicking on this icon. And we can move their position by dragging them like so. By clicking on an item, we have the content over here. We can add it with AI from over here. We can add an image over here, name and title. Same goes for all the other items as well. Then we have the skin, the layout, the alignment, how many slides per view, and how many slides to scroll, and the width. For the additional options, we can have arrows, we can have the pagination as dots, fractions, or progress bar, transition duration, if wanted to autoplay, infinite loop, pause and hover, and pause and interaction. By going to style, we have settings for the slides, like space between, the background color, the border width, and the border radius. And the border color is from over here, and the padding from over here. If we are going to content, we have settings for the content, like the gap, the text color, typography, global fonts from over here, or custom typography from over here, font family from over here, the size from over here, the weight, if you want to transform it, if you want to style it, to add a decoration, line height, letter spacing, and word spacing as well. We can also change from pixel to something else from over here. We also have text stroke, the size from over here, and the color from over here. We can also click on this icon to go back to default. Let's go back to default here as well. For the name, we have text color from over here, typography from over here, and for the title, same settings over here, color from over here, and the typography from over here. For the image, we have the size from over here, the gap, the border radius, like so. And for navigation, if we have arrows, we have the size over here and the color over here. And over here we have space between dots, the size of the dots, the color of the dots, and the active color for the dots. And for the advanced settings, we have margins and paddings.